Lactantius, Epitome, Episode 11. Nam si Deus, qui omnia condidit, et idem Dominus, et idem Pater est, unus sit, necesse est, ut idem sit caput idemque fons rerum. Lactantius continues, and he says, For if God, nam si Deus, and then we have a relative clause, for if God, who created or established all things, condidit is the third principal part of the third conjugation verb condo condere. It means to build, establish, to found, to create. Its object is omnia in the neuter plural and accusative. For if God, who created all things, qui omnia condidit, both the same Lord and the same Father is, not good English, but we would say, is both Lord and Father, the same one, idem, necesse est, it is necessary, unus sit, that he be one. That he be one is necessary. So we have the protasis, the si clause, si pater est. That's what's called the protasis, the if clause. And then the apodosis, or the then clause, is necesse est, like so. And that is the apodosis that follows the protasis. Then it is necessary, unus sit, that he be one. This is then followed with a purpose clause, in order that the same one, idem, be both the head, caput, and the same one be the fons, rerum, the source or the origin of all that exists, rerum, which is feminine plural and genitive. One of the titles for God in the poets and in the theologians is conditor rerum, the founder or establisher of the universe, of all that exists. And one can see a reference here, perhaps, to the famous poem by Lucretius, De Rerum Natura, which means on the nature of reality, or on the nature of the universe. I suppose there's no reason to belabor some of the grammatical elements here. Lactantius' style is so lucid and plain, but we have idem Dominus, masculine singular nominative, idem Pater, masculine singular nominative, unus, and idem, and caput. Caput is neuter, singular nominative, of course, and fons is feminine, singular, and nominative. A very simple and straightforward sentence.